1. 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, the unbeatable king. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains the undisputed king of speed in 2026. This track-only monster features a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine producing a mind-blowing 322 horsepower. With its carbon fiber wings for downforce and a top speed reaching nearly 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour, the H2R isn't just a motorcycle, it's a jet on wheels. For 2026, Kawasaki has refined the aerodynamics even further, making it the ultimate speed machine. 2. 2026 Lightning LS218, the electric Lightning. Proving that electric bikes can humiliate gasoline giants, the Lightning LS218 holds its spot as the world's fastest production electric motorcycle. Its liquid-cooled motor delivers 244 horsepower and instant torque, launching the bike to a record-setting 218 miles per hour. With a 0 to 60 time of under 2 seconds, the 2026 model features upgraded battery tech for longer high-speed runs, proving that the future of speed is silent but deadly. 3. 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R, the MotoGP soul. Ducati's Panigale V4R is a street-legal beast born from the racetracks of MotoGP. The 2026 edition pushes the boundaries with a 998 cubic centimeters Desma set-aside straight-aisle engine that can rev up to 16,500 revolutions per minute. When equipped with the full racing exhaust, it pumps out over 237 horsepower, hitting a top speed of 205 miles per hour. It features new 3.0M winglets that provide 33% more downforce, keeping this Italian masterpiece glued to the road at high velocities. 4. 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory, the new HP King. For 2026, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory has claimed the title of the highest horsepower 1-liter sport bike on the market, outperforming even the newest Ducatis in raw engine output. Its V4 engine is a masterpiece of Italian engineering. With specialized, ultralight, carbon wheels and a titanium exhaust system, it effortlessly reaches speeds of 195 miles per hour. Its integrated winglets and advanced electronics make it one of the most stable bikes at triple-digit speeds. 5. 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa gsxr 1300R, the legendary speedster. No speed list is complete without the Falcon. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa continues its legacy with refined performance and cutting-edge aerodynamics, while officially limited by the Gentleman's Agreement. The 2026 model features a new high-flow exhaust and optimized fuel injection that allows for unprecedented mid-range thrust. It remains the world's favorite hypertourer, capable of hitting its 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour limit with effortless grace and power.